because I want. Do you want to eat in another place? You said
Go.
let's go home.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. You said you want to go home because Lolo will look for you.
Okay, boy.
Yes. It's late at night. Why are you awake?
Because you said we eat
Yeah.
outside. You said.
Yeah. Oh, it's trinoma. Trinoma,
Yes,
yeah?
Wow, let's go here, mommy, please.
No, it's already closed.
It's not close, diba? Oh.
Yeah, it's closed. We'll go next time.
Daddy, we go here.
Okay.
Yay!
It's closed already.
Now it's closed. Come back.